Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Afwan Sami and welcome back to another unboxing video. So in this video, I'm going to unbox a surprise bag. So I'll get my bag. Yes. So guys, this is the bat. I'll disclose this at the end. So please watch the video till end. So now let's get further. So after opening my bag, the first thing I have, these are my gloves. So these gloves are of 2200 rupees. So yeah, it has a, so yeah. And then the next thing I have is by Abdominal Guard. Yeah. And then after that, here is my SG elbow guard, which costs 229 rupees. So it's the SG company's elbow guard, 229 rupees. Then comes our SG company thigh pad, which costs 529 rupees. So next are the pads. These cost 1500 rupees. So this pad is very tight. You can listen. It's a nice and protective pad. So this is the pair of the pads, which costs 1500 rupees. And then we have our helmet, which came in a little bit different way. So this is the, this, it came like this. We have to join this, and it is a, like, we can get it in our size. We can adjust the size. So this is the cap, and then here is the protection. Yeah. So this is how the helmet is. Yeah. So the helmet, we have to again make this. We have screws here. We have to join this together. And so the price for this helmet is 1100 rupees. So at the end, I just have these inners. These are the inners of the gloves, and these costs 200 rupees. And then the last, it is our SG bag. And we have, it's it's like a normal bag. It's open. There we have two things, and we have places for two bags. And also we have a water bottle place. And this costs again 1100 rupees. So now let's reveal the bat. So this is a 6 number bat. So yeah, let's open this. Yes. So this is a Kashmir Willow SG bat, and it also have the autograph of Sunil Gavaskar. And yeah, you can see this. So the cost for this bat is nearly 2000 rupees. It's 1950 rupees. So it's a real Kashmir Willow bat of SG. Yeah. So it also carries this bag with it. It's a safety bag. Yes. So now let's try to wear it. So guys, special thanks to P3 Sports Hub. It's not sponsored, but you can also go there and buy any sports accessories you want. It's not only for cricket, football, basketball, swimming, anything. It's in Hyderabad, Toli Choki, Adams Colony. So everyone can go and purchase it from P3 Sports Hub. You can meet Moise sir in P3 Sports Hub.